A wonderful week.
It's been phenomenal. It's just hard to even fathom how warm it has been and how for how long it's been this warm. We've gone on for days. Every once in a while you get a November day where it's breezy, it's warm, and then it goes away. You might get a day or two in a row of this, but if we touch 70 today, it'll be match the longest ever string of 70-degree days in our November history. And if we do it tomorrow, we'd break the record, and it's very possible that will happen. Right now, looking at time lapse, beautiful early morning sunshine. Love that sun already evident along the horizon, showing up around 6:15. You even see a glimmer of daylight even then as sun rises just in moments before 7. And now we have still some daylight as we move along to the midday hours. That's our Lewiston auto camera from Rochester. Now looking at Austin, blue sky overhead, not a cloud. I mean, even if it was 40s or 50s at this point, we'd call this a spectacular November day because it's so peaceful, quiet, manageable, but it's incredibly warm. Here we are in the September-like 60s, on our way to perhaps 70, and already some spots are in the 70s. Mason City 71, Charles City 72, Rochester 66 this hour. Sombrota 60. Looking out the window here in Rochester, well, we have a gorgeous day. What else can you say about it? 66, dew point 41, pretty dry air out there, allowing for big fluctuations in this diurnal temperature range. Cool nights, very warm days, and today just a gentle west breeze. Air pressure is steady, 30.13 inches of mercury. Sunny and warm today, on our way to perhaps 70 or very close to it. The record is 71. We're going to be certainly within striking distance of that. Windy and warmer for the weekend, still looking at 60s and 70s, at least until maybe Monday even at this point, just beyond the weekend. But then next week, rain and even some snowflakes. But watching these records over the next few days, we're going to be certainly within a couple degrees of that. These are the forecast highs, upper 60s, low 70s. And there are going to be a couple of days here in the future. We're going to have to watch that closely as we will be in record territory or close to it. Next week, not so much as we see a reality come back. But that's November for you. Eventually, colder weather will show up. But right now, high pressure settling in behind a cold front that swept the area last night. Only a slight reduction in temperature for us today. And the next storm system to the west is going to generate a little more of a breeze, but also pull in more warmth as we head into the weekend. Highs this afternoon right around 69. Still in the 50s and 60s after sunset with just a light breeze. So a beautiful afternoon or evening to spend some time outside. Maybe you have a bonfire, take a walk, something like that. It looks like a perfect day and evening for that. 69 today, 40s for the evening hours and overnight tonight, and then tomorrow right back to 70. Maybe a little more of a breeze, but otherwise just about the same deal for us. High pressure moving through tonight into tomorrow. Winds turn more to the south, pick up just a little bit as we go into the afternoon. A little more of a gusty breeze as that next storm system gets a little bit closer. Daytime temperatures tomorrow in the low 70s. A few high clouds come in late tomorrow night. Heading into Saturday morning, we'll have occasional sun and clouds Saturday. Still a breezy but dry day. The storm system will take aim on the area. Any rain out of the system will be very late Sunday, more than likely Sunday night. And temperatures over the next few days still 60s and 70s. Next week, maybe a couple days colder than average, but for the most part next week, very close to what we consider to be normal for this time of the year. 69 today, sunny and pleasant, winds around 10 miles per hour. Tonight, clear and actually pretty comfortable. Cooler anyway, but not all that chilly for this time of the year. 71 tomorrow with gusty south breeze up to 20 miles per hour. We'll be touching maybe 30 miles per hour at times Saturday and Sunday. A little rain by Sunday evening. Rain and then some snowflakes mix in for Tuesday, but it looks like we'll stay close to 40 beyond that. Ted's Trivia, 1937 presidential inauguration day was moved to January 20th. That's what we do now these days. But what was the date before that, Jess?
Oh, that's a good one, Ted. Do we have to find out a little bit later?
Well, yeah, if we have time later on. Yeah.
All right. We will make time.
Okay.
Thanks.